Alright, well, we're almost to my house, so we'll see you there. Alright, so we actually had to park at a gas station that's across the street from my house because my road isn't plowed and I'm not trying to push the car all the way down my street.
And I hope we don't get towed here.
Look forward to ticket number 4.
No. They're making actual chicken wings. And then here's my food.
Our food. That was supposed to be my post meal, so it's a little bigger. Gabe left me with the camera because tomorrow morning I don't have to work. My boss texted me and told me they're closed because the snow is so bad. Tomorrow we won't be going to the Y because they're closed, but we do have a key to go to Champs. It's another gym. It's in Auburn, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, what's up guys? It's about 9 a.m. I just woke up. It felt good to sleep in. I usually have to wake up at like 6 a.m. to go to work. The snow is crazy. I woke up. I really don't know how we're going to make it to the gym, especially if Gabe doesn't have his truck. But we'll find a way. I'm about to make breakfast. I'm gonna eat some eggs, some oatmeal, and a protein shake.
I've been going hard, been pushing for a minute. Back against the wall, just trying to make a living, trying to do it all. Trying to do it all. Rolling dice in the casino while sipping on some Tito's. I painted a vivid picture, went off like a desert eagle. I'm doing it for the people. Go ahead and put your hands up. This the type of shit to make a motherfucker stand up. Tell them boys to rise as I look them in their eyes. Tell them we can fucking get it, there won't be no compromise. I'm never in disguise, you people are always fake. I'm doing this shit for real, how long does it fucking take?
I have 3 whole eggs with 1 egg white. I have 1 cup of oatmeal with a little bit of brown sugar, and I have a protein shake. This is my favorite. This has 1 cup of milk, 2 scoops of gold standard whey protein, a serving of peanut butter, a serving of frozen mixed fruits, and just a little bit of syrup, just that sugar-free syrup to add some flavor. So yeah, I'm gonna go eat this. My roommate's watching a movie, so I'm gonna go check it out and see what he's watching. I'll catch you later. Alright, so it's 11:30. We're going to be working out at 12, so Gabe will probably be on his way soon.
He told me to take 2.5 scoops, try to look like him.
I took 2, man. I told you to take 2.
Look like you in a
take
day.
another one. You liked it. You did good off 2.
I'm going to take a scoop of this stuff. This is Daryl's. I love this shit.
That's the key.
Yeah, Gabe has the same one. He just has a different flavor.
I know,
right there.
It says start with half a scoop.
Tell him to take 2.5.
This dude hooked Kasim up with a pregnant chick.
No, I didn't, man. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Is that kind that he took 2 scoops of? Show the camera.
Finna flex. Face finna flex off those 2.5.
Where'd you get this?
GNC.
Do you like it?
No.
No.
Legs today?
No, sir.
Hold on, when did you do legs?
Thursday and Sunday.
Thursday and Sunday?
Were you with him Thursday, babe?
I wasn't with him none of the days. We never did legs together.
Did he do legs?
He didn't do legs.
Don't skip out on your legs, guys.
Don't ever skip legs. Look like Johnny Bravo. The guy?
Alright, so it's 12:30. We planned on 12 o'clock, but you can't see anything. Gabe just picked us up.
I just shoveled my car out of the road.
And we got 2 others with us. My roommate Faye.
Yeah, this is an honor
Daryl.
today. We have Faye in the house.
This. He's not going nowhere.
Not as free cloud.
This is bomb.
Yeah, it is bomb. Is that water? How many electrolytes in there? 8. There's 24 left.
Yeah, but I've only confirmed out about 8.
Did you look at me?
I'm on my way to shovel your girl out. That was good, Wizzy. Shovel. Yeah. He forgot to brush his skirt.
Yes.
Let's get it.
These are in the back of our house right now.
What are you working on today, Gabe? I have to deadlift, finally. I've been saying that for the last 3 days. Well, I was just gonna say, we're at this gym called Champs right now because the Y is closed, and I think like everywhere else in Auburn is closed. But the reason we can come here is because you get a key, and it's 24/7 and nobody's here, so you can just scan the key and walk in, which I got from my cousin Tyler. So thank you, Tyler. Oh, we'll see you in the summer and get a sick workout in Florida. So we're here at Champs today in our private gym.
You told him.
Told him
you
what?
Told him.
What?
That we're going to Florida.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
No, I said we'll see Tyler in Florida and get a sick workout.
Okay.
That's just a fact. I thought there was just 135 on here, so I tried to pick it up and put it down for my deadlift. I was like, why is it so heavy?
Get it, Jake. Okay.
Faded. Faded. Faded.
Well, guess what? You have to do one more. You have to do one more, so we both do 3 the superset right now.
I did 3 sets.
Go. And you did, how many pull-ups did you do last time?
8.
So you got to do 8 this time of both. So let's get it. You can do 4 muscle ups. You can do 4 muscle ups or 8 pull-ups. But you got to go now. Looks like no muscle ups today. Daryl's killing it right now. Four. 4.5. Looks like he's tired or something. That was 6. Oh, not bad. Not bad. How do you feel?
I feel dead.
So we just did my first workout. Did 3 sets of a superset with wide grip pull-ups and rows. We both did. I did 12 the first time and 10 for the second 2. Zach, what did you do for the first 2?
I did 2 sets of 8, and then I might have got 10 on the first set, and then...
Don't lie, because we have it on video.
Yes, I might have got 10 on the first set, and then 2 sets of 8. And then I had to do another set of pull-ups. Yeah. And I only got like 2.
Yeah, and that was after I deadlifted and Zach already did some back. But the point just was to do supersets, to have like, just to have like a good workout in the beginning, just to sweat a lot. And yeah, and if you want to try that, that's a really good workout to do a superset with the pull-ups and rows.
Oh, you'll be fried.
Yeah, and you're hitting your back at like both important angles. Those are 2 really good back workouts to do. I'm gonna try and get a good angle. Oh, you're going alternating? Alright, so when you're doing the slap pull down, you want to always keep your chest up when you're doing any back workouts to keep the tension on your back. And then to really feel it in your back, if you're ever struggling with that, just try and keep your elbow as close as you can to your body. And then when you're at the bottom, just squeeze. And that's how you can get a back contraction in any workout. It's really hard, especially if you're just starting out, to like actually feel back workouts. But sometimes you just have to go slower and feel how the movement's supposed to be. Alright, so Zach's doing the single arm dumbbell rows right now. And the reason we're doing these is because we started out with the wide grip pull-ups, supersetted with the rows, the barbell rows, and then we went to the single arm lat pull downs. So we usually do 4 workouts for each body part. So we got 2 pull downs and 2 rows, which I always like to do that for back, get 2 of each. Also the pull up and the barbell rows, we did both, like double arm.
Yeah.
Workout, what do you call it though? I forget it. We did both. What? Bilateral?
Is it?
Wait, no.
2?
Maybe. Yeah, I think bilateral. Anyway, we did 2 workouts again in, with both arms.
Yeah.
I'll find the word, I'll like write it in right now. Because I know, I just can't think of it. And then we did 2 single arm workouts. So that's what I like to do.
Yep. This is a good variation of a lat pull down. Something different. Okay, so Gabe's moving on to biceps. We just finished up back. What are you gonna start with?
I'm starting out with hammer curls. I'm starting out with those because those are the movement for biceps that can go heaviest today. So I'm gonna start out with the heaviest and then go from there.
Let's get it. I'm gonna move on to shoulders. I think this is the best shoulder movement to hit the heaviest weight. So I'm gonna start here with the shoulder press. My shoulders hurts a little bit today, so I'm not sure how heavy I go, but I'll start here. So.
And I think you're right on that.
Huh?
I think you're right on that. You can go heavier with this and dumbbells.
You think so?
Maybe. I'm just guessing.
You sure you can't do 135 dumbbells?
Yeah, we'll test your theory out after this. Get the 135-pound dumbbells out. See which one you go heavier with. It's a toss-up right now.
Man down.
So now I'm moving on to this curl that's more for the inner head of your bicep. And grab one try this. So instead of keeping your wrist straight, keep your wrist like flimsy and bent, and try and keep the weight on this side of your hand, so it's really on your inner bicep. And then just curl. Keep your elbow at your side, and just keep your arm facing out. I'm gonna do 12 reps of this. I don't know where I'm at.
How many reps?
12. I don't know what I'm at right now.
Just because I don't think they could have heard you.
And you're really gonna feel it on the inside of your bicep.
Okay, so I just finished my overhead press. My front delts are fried. I'm gonna hit some rear delts, so I'm gonna do some bent over flies. I'll probably do about 3 sets of 12.
That's it? I'd probably do 3 sets of 50s with this, but that's okay. We're all different.
All right, what you got next?
Alright, so right now I'm doing my last bicep workout for today. And it's one I just tried a few weeks ago for the first time. So you put the cable all the way to the bottom, and then step out a little bit so it's stretched out. And this one's more for your outer head of your bicep. Just make sure you keep your elbow in the same spot the whole time, and then just curl slow and squeeze at the top. And you can just keep the weight light on this like the last one, and just do a lot of reps. What was that? How many reps was that?
You got me.
No.
2.
I'll just keep track of this one.
Alright, I'm gonna end my shoulder workout with some lat raises just to fry my side delts. So, burn them out.
Faded.
Did we just finished up at Champions for Life. About to head to Wegmans, get some food, go to my house, edit the video, cook, eat, all that good stuff. It's still snowing. I don't think it's ever gonna stop. No.
How much street you live on, Zach? You live on Page Street.
That's an infant city.
I wanna eat.
When you make it, it won't be like mine.
No, it will be, because I'm gonna do it how you do it.
I have the natural chef ability.
Alright, so then.
And by the way, when Zach said, what did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say in my house?
I said you're a good cook.
On my back?
I said you're a good
I'm the
cook.
best cook. I teach Zach how to cook.
I'm a full-time cook.
For advice. So what does that say about me?
That you hang out with me a lot.
Natural chef ability.
No, it's just that you hang out with me a lot.
One hot and one reduced sodium.
Alright, toss it in
That's all
there.
you need for your food to taste like Chef Gabe's. The Scadios. Okay?
Get some Scadios.
I only ate them for a little bit, and then I feel like I ate them so much that I started to hate them.
Yeah, but I loved them my whole life.
Faded.
Back in the blizzard.
We keep it stone cold, Steve Austin.